Greetings! Last video we learnt all about how to use buttons and text boxes, checkboxes, labels, any of these things over here really, on your screen and give them simple instructions. This lesson we are going to be learning about how to give them specific instructions like selection. I have got a quiz here. It asks the user, who are the world's greatest football team? And then they type an answer in here and press submit. And my opinion of their answer will appear here in the answer box below. So we need to put some instructions, tell them what I think of them, on the submit button, don't we? So like last time guys, we go to blocks. Nice and easy. Now nothing happens until I push submit. So demo button. When demo button is clicked. Perfect, it's there, it's beautiful, and we're ready to go. Now, to give an opinion on something, we need to do some selection. Now, if we go to control, the very top one here, if and then, drag it in and put it here. Now, if statements are involved in every computer programming language known to mankind. They work like this. You say if something is true or false, then do the code in here. If it's not true or false, then don't do it. Okay? So, my quiz here. I want to say, if the user says AFC Wimbledon, who are of course the greatest team in the world, say, well done, good man. So, back to blocks. If demolabel.text says AFC Wimbledon. How do I put that in if? Well, I need to use logic. Click on logic, come down to equals and drag it onto here. Please note the nice little jigsaw pieces here and the click sound that Inventor makes when things link together, which is pretty crucial. So if demolabel.text is equal to AFC Wimbledon. Where did we go to get text? Well, obviously, like last time, we went to the text menu. Scroll to the top, and there we are, a nice empty box, ready for me to write in the correct answer. So, if demo text is saying AFC Wimbledon, then we are going to do something, aren't we? We are going to display there, well done, good man. Where do we display it? In the answer box. So set answerbox.text to, and then here I am going to put some more text. So same again, we get a nice empty text box in there, and we say, well done, good man. Now I can though, if I just wanted it to do only if Wimbledon were there, that's fine. But I don't. I want to be able to do a few more teams. So I'm going to click on the blue circle here, and suddenly this strange screen appears. If I click on else if and drag it into if there, oh look, a second if statement is there. So it says, firstly, if the answer is AFC Wimbledon, do this. But if the answer is something else, then do this. What's something else? Well, we need to make this again. I could go to logic and drag these all out again, but computing is all about being lazy. So I'm going to right click and press duplicate. And then the same box appears here. Now here I just type in Chelsea. So if they're a Chelsea fan, we are going to duplicate this. And we are going to say I'm sorry for you. Because we need to be sorry for Chelsea fans. I think you'd agree. Now, say I wanted to do another one. We can have as many else ifs in here as we want to. So I'm going to put, let's say they make a mistake. Let's say, let's do it properly this time, logic, and we say, okay, they write down England, the national team. We're going to say, no, your club, not your nation. So we are going to come down to here. We need to say, okay, demo label dot text. Doing it the long way this time. There we are. Go text. Say, put that in there. England. We are going to set answerbox.text to which team do you support? And finally, if none of these are there, I want to have one answer to catch them all. So click on the blue and we can drag else in there. You can only have one else, but else will happen if none of these three are true. It will do this. So we're going to go to answer box, set text, as always, set answerbox.text, and we are going to set it to never mind. So, just to recap what I've done here, I have made a quiz here that says what is the world's greatest team, and a text box there, a submit button, and an answer box here. Here I have said if they say AFC Wimbledon, say well done, good man. If they don't say Wimbledon, but they do say Chelsea, I have said I'm sorry for you, which I am. If I said England, I say no, which team do you support? And anything else, I say never mind. Okay, so that's the program. It's there. Now let's see if it works. So again, go to build, save APK to my computer. As always, it'll take a moment, so you can use this time to look at the questions I set below for your homework, for your preparation for today's class. And so the computer compiles your program. Compiling is when the computer turns things like this, which humans can read, into ones and zeros that computers can read. And that's what compiling does. I don't know why it's done that to me, but it can go away. But I'm guessing the file is now here, so let's see. Here we are, selection demovid.apk, it's downloaded, perfect. Open it, install the APK. I have the emulator sitting here ready and waiting. So, let's see, it's selection demovid. There we are. If I scroll down, I think it may have saved it as blocks demovid for some reason best known to itself. Yes, here we are. How about that? Just, my emulator can be weird there. So, who are the world's greatest team? Say I type in, I've got to use the keyboard here, okay. Arsenal. What will it say to me? Never mind. You're an Arsenal fan? Never mind. Say I type in England. There we are, answer come out there. Which team do you support? Okay, I can't bother with Chelsea, so instead I'm going to say AFC, oops, never mind, it's been capitalised, AFC Wimbledon. There we are, how about that? Well done, good man. So, this, guys, was a simple selection program, and you have now seen how if statements work. Good luck with your prep. Thank you very much. Good night, and good luck.